it will last. Socks and pants, socks and pants.
Yeah,
Socks and pants and pants and
because they are
pants.
socks and they are pants. But I like call it tight sometimes.
Tight.
Sometimes call it tights
That's a word.
for it.
It's about you find again there. You help her. Akala ko ano ngayon. Okay, go. Cross the road.
Let's go. Hurry.
Sabado. Kahapon pala yung Sabado. Sunday pala ngayon.
Go get them. All right. Hurry, Fat. Got them. I got them. Okay, hurry.
Amazon Prime. Yung may in-order ako na face cream at saka
Responsibility, collaboration, respect, aspiration, resilience. The blue one is resilience, or the orange one is aspiration, and
you got something in your face, B.
respect.
Yeah.
It's the green one. Collaboration is yellow one, and the blue, the purple one is the purple one is responsibility.
That's good.
But the credit card. The credit card.
Sobrang aga pala namin. Mga 20 minutes pa yata yung aantayin namin sa bus. Sunday nga pala ngayon kaya naano ako. Nawala na ako sa oras o sa ano ba? Araw mga kachika sa kabisihan sa work. So, pag Sunday, alam nyo na pag Sunday, every 1 hour yung pagitan ng bus. We're not late. We're too early. Too early. Ay, grabe talaga din yung ulan, oh. Yung parayaw. Lisa. Look.
Mama, does Daddy know where we are?
Daddy know where we are. Okay, go. We have to walk faster, okay? Pupunta kami dyan sa may posta. Nagugutom na ako. Pupunta lang kami ng cafe tapos magbili ako ng ng vase kasi yung flowers ko nandoon pa, nakalapag lang. We're in the jungle. Okay. Keep walking kay people behind us.
Huh? People?
Safe naman kami kasi may dala naman kaming payong.
Water slide. Look how much the water slide.
Sa balon. Ah, yeah, there is. Okay. Okay, you keep walking this way. Look at the water.
The water is coming from.
Oh yeah,
Where's the water coming?
from up there.
Oh, here?
For you, for Arena.
I want to try this. Where's the straw?
There's a straw.
Oh, I'm gonna try. That was mine. I'm hungry.
I think yours.
Hey!
Wait, stop right there.
That's mine! But I'm so hungry.
Tanggalin ko yung ham. Ayaw nila yung ham. Cheese lang. Kabuang kong kain sa ham nito. Yeah. What I'm going to do, wala pa kaming lunch. Mga gutom. Dito kami sa may charity mga kachika ko. Umuulan na naman pala. Malakas na naman yung ulan. Huminto na yan ba? Nag-aantay kami kay mister na sunduin kami dito. Kakain pa daw siya. Nasa bed pa pala. Di pa bumangon. Kami nandito na kami. Yung isa pala ang sarapan ng tulog. Marami oh. Ayan, ang cute. Nagtingin-tingin ako kasi bibili nga ako ng vase. So may nakita ako. Ito naman 3 pounds. Pero hindi ako sure sa kulay. Ayan. Tapos meron din ito. Meron akong mga nabili na ganito. Bibili ako ng ganito kasi pang cloth ba, pang ano-ano namin doon. Ito, mga ganito mga kachika. Ayan. At saka ito na may isa. Maganda daw ito pag ganito. I-display mo yung may nag-harvest. Tapos yung parang may ganito. Ayan. 2 pounds lang. Ang display ko ba? Meron pa pala ditong bird. Oh. Ang ganda dito. Marami dito mga ano-ano. Display. Mga luma ba? So, sana ba yun? Ito yata yung bibilhin ko. Ito na lang yata yung kulay na 2 pounds lang siya. Or it's either yung blue na yan. Yan na lang. Kasi kailangan ko ng vase talaga. Mga teapots. Mga pang ano nga, pang decoration ba sa bahay. Dito naman tayo bibili. Tayo mas mura. Ito, pinapili ko din to ba? Parang gusto ko din to. 2 pounds lang din siya. Ang lang ito. Mga antique. Pero yun lang muna dalawa bilhin ko. Ang ganda daw. Ano naman to?
I think this is what the Lisa got. It's like you put that, cover it, and then take it out and put. You can put hot chocolate. And that. I'm gonna try to do that.
How much? How much kaya to? 4 pounds. Bilhin din natin yan mga kachika. Okay. Tara na.
And I got some eyeballs candy for you. What is that doing?
Nandiyan si Mr. sa katok sa kapitbahay namin kasi may parcel nga ako sa Amazon mga kachika. Nung ano pa yan? 11. Dineliver. Anong pizza na ngayon? 15. So kasi dyan sila. Busy din yan sila palagi sa work. Kasi pareho yan sila nurse. So si Mr. nagkatok na daw dyan kahapon. Pero wala daw ang tao. Kaya ngayon tinatok niya ulit. Ano yan? May in-order ako na para sa mukha ko nga. Tapos, malat-balat na. Para sa mukha, tapos, ano namin yung pang ano ng pizza kasi bumili din ako nito. Kaso separate sila yung pizza stone tapos separate yung parang luwag ba mga kachika ba spatula. Hoy, who's that? Scary that, you know?
Uh-huh.
You make a scary face.
I'm making it very scary. I'll just keep my back on.
Okay, can you give me your coats, please? The coats, Lisa? Growing fast, your daughter.
How should I open this?
Slide the baby. Huh?
Yeah.
That's what Lisa said. Alina said. Slide the baby. Huh?
How should I open this?
Slide the baby.
Binili namin ito sa charity shop para may something naman sila nga gagawin. Kasi nakahalidayan sila sa bukas from tomorrow, Monday to Friday. Wala yan sila pasok. Naka-break yan sila. And then, bilhin ako sa charity shop. Mura lang yan. Para may...
What you got in here?
The spatula and I think my face cream. Okay.
Mama is excited, huh? Because it's going to be stinking.
No. Gina.
Huh?
Ito talaga yung gamit ko before. Pero kahit naman ano-ano yung gamit ko, iyan naman ako kahit pa
The
paano.
watercolors.
Pang item lang naman ko kasi nga tatlo tong item in order ko. Dumating na nga yung stone pizza. Ito naman siya yun. Ay, kalaki-laki naman pala nito. Para naman tong pala.
Colors too?
Watercolor. Yeah, that one is painting. Paint.
This is what? Okay.
Tingnan mo yung ano.
That's,
Oh.
don't mess with that. That's the wrong one. That's the, what's this?
It's not for that one. This one is for the paper.
That's paper.
Plus paper.
The iron
Watercolor.
for this.
Ito.
How do you get this off?
Bakit naman ang laki naman ito? Kuya pala mahal. Mas kailangan mo pala talaga ito. Tanggalin yung blow. Kasi stainless steel siya sa ilalim mga kachika. Tapos ito yung hawakan. Okay na din para hindi ka mapasok na pag magkuha ka ng pizza sa oven. Tapos may kasama na siyang, saan ba yun? Ito. Para i-lock mo siya, parang
Very careful with it.
There you go.
So what we're going to do these mats with.
move the mat. Take off the mats, be.
Move the water in there.
Itago ko to kaya pag makakita sa Lisa ng ganito, ginaganon. Parang ako din. Hindi mapakali. Yeah! I didn't expect it's that big. Hala, ito pala, yung di ba may parang may lalagyan siya dito na para makaganon siya. Hindi pala yung kasama. Sabi ko, sana yung pang ano, sabi niya hindi daw yung kasama sa ano daw, pang ano lang daw yun sa mga display nila. Inisprayan ko pala ito nito, anti-bac. Tapos ito.
This is Tanzania somehow.
My goodness, that's scary face. Ay, yung flowers ko nandito pa.
Slides.
Marami pa.
Like the baby.
Where was that?
Oh.
In your save the video you save? You save? Where did you see that?
On
What's up?
your video,
Oh.
Marina said, slide the baby. And I remember that's what she used to say. Slide it. Slide it.
Okay. Enjoy din ako nito.
Yeah.
Take a little.
Not really, yeah.
Mm.
Try it.
You need to taste it.
Yeah, try it.
How
That's
the-
as size you can get it. Needs a washer.
Oh.
It's not very well made. I mean, metal on wood. It's gonna be like that. It's not well designed at all. But there's no other way of doing it. Huh? Well? What do you
You
think?
got wait for you, El.
A bit better. Still not right. It'll have to do. Right, pizza restaurant. So now we're gonna have to have the dough. Yeah, but it's the mass, not the hands, kid. So the hands. It's not the hands, it's the hands.
And it's a different style.
Oh. Yeah, that's the
Lagay ko na lang tong water ko dito.
See, look, see what's the reason.
Yeah, I know.
You're not messing around with your hands. It's like a
Oh,
baby,
you're doing nice and clean.
and you're doing messing with your hands. That don't make sense. Come on. Now get it.
What? Oh my God. Thank you. I love you.
Sure you do. Sure you do.
Nice coffee.
Yeah. No sugar in it.
Mm.
Right, can we get this cleaned up?
Mhm.
Like a flower shop.
Diyan na lang namin nilagay mga kachika. Ganyan.
Lovely.
Gusto ko to kasi nga, may napanood akong video na kailangan daw. Tama-tama nakita ko. Pero mga ano tong mga kachika, yung mga antique ba? Is it antique, Daddy?
What?
Antique?
Say?
Antique.
No, antique.
It's
No,
not?
the print. No, the print. The painting is.
Mm.
That's a print
Mm.
of a painting.
Mm.
Probably a famous one. I don't know.
Mm.
That looks like a very famous painter, British constable. And I think it is. That's from a constable painting. This, I don't know. But that's an old master. It's a print. Yeah.
Ah, yung panaunod ko pala, dapat daw waterfalls. Waterfalls pala yung mga, ano pala, mga kachika. Kaso wala mang waterfall, yung kaya na lang kinuha ko. Tapos ito, yun nga, yung may nag-harvest daw. Tama-tama, may kabayo din. Yung mga ganito na, may bigyan to namin to sa charity shop, yung mga, pati yung,
Like
Nandoon.
antiques at charity shop.
sa charity shop lang din namin yung mga nabili, yung mga, ganyan namin. Matagal na. Oh. Ito na pala yung ating flower. Pero hindi talaga siya nakasya lahat dito mga kachika. So nilagay ko doon sa ano, sa isa kong
She's like,
flower vase ba na ginamit ko noong kung saan yung birthday ko na flowers. Magawa siya ng pizza mga kachika. Tapos yan yung ginawa niyang sauce. Tapos nandito naman yung dough. Pinapakanan niya. Ito ang gamit niya.
yeah. Oh yeah.
So, ayan. Puro to mga gawa-gawa mga kachika. Yung sauce, gawa niya. Kamatis lang to. Tapos mga herb. Gawang bahay lang talaga to. Walang halong chemical. Charot. So, ito na yung kanina na pinakita.
And then,
Wow, it looks like snow.
yeah, okay, well, we tip this,
You have to roll it.
tip this
And you have,
on there.
ooh.
Wait, now.
Now you have to roll the dough.
Oh, wait
Not
a minute,
yet, not
not yet. Oh, I have to dust this so it doesn't stick.
I don't roll it.
I'm going to. Okay, now you can roll it now.
It will last forever.
I know how to roll
It will
it.
take forever. It will take of you forever.
My turn now. Not yet.
That's it. Wow, professional.
At least you
Bit
watch
more.
Ruby
Bit more.
Morning because he what they
Bit more.
Italy.
Ito yung isa mga kachika, yung isa parang kulang sa loto. So yan, let's go.
That much better than even that one.
Ang sarap mga kachika. Kain tayo. Pwede na kami magnegosyo.
Need this.
Mm.
Oregano.
Good.
Huh?